Now here we have the Rimoldi. (0653422). I believe this is a 3-thread cover stitch machine, which is designed for sewing on lace by the look of that, or sewing on whatever. So this baby here, we're about to get started on this, and just to show you the condition of this as we've got it, you can see there's quite a bit of fluff in there, and if you can have a look down in there, you'll see there's quite a lot of junk. So this will give you a bit of an idea of what we're up about. I've got no idea if it's going to work, but the thing is, everything seems to work very smoothly. So wish us luck with the old Rimoldi. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Now here we have it. The Rimoldi lace sewing machine, which is a 0653422. So as you can see here, this is all the remnants that we've pulled out from inside.
The dust bunnies were breeding well.
And there you can see the lace is already on there. I'd say this was used for probably putting lace on underwear or skirts or something like that. So we'll turn it on. Now let's have a look and see what she'll do. Steady as she goes.
The motor's beautifully quiet.
How quiet is that? You can see the lace going down. So that's a beautiful quiet machine. Now what we've got to do is work out how to thread it properly. So that's our effort today on the Rimoldi. We'll call it the lace sewing machine. Absolutely beautiful, and very pleased with our results, my darling and I. Now it's taken us just over an hour, Jude and I. This is all the little bits and pieces which have come out of this little baby. It's now looking a lot better now. Even looks almost like a machine. So you can see down in there, those furry things, they're actually wicks, which actually come out of the oil bath underneath. So they'll actually be running that main shaft which is running across. And we've even given the trimmer a little bit of a clean up. So that's not a bad effort. So we're pretty happy with that.